In this video, I'll show you how to fix the sensitive content warning on X, formerly known as Twitter, so you can view posts that are currently being hidden behind the warning message. If you've tried opening a post but keep getting a message saying that the media may contain sensitive content, don't worry. The fix is actually quite simple, although many people can't find it because the setting isn't available inside the X mobile app. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer